Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Scientists have reached a stunning milestone by using artificial intelligence to invent a brand new material that is as strong as carbon steel, but lighter than foam. Developed by teams at the University of Toronto and Caltech, this next-gen material was not found through trial and error, but entirely imagined by AI. The breakthrough offers a glimpse into a future where machine intelligence doesn't just enhance human ideas, it creates its own. So, the research team trained their AI models on how different microstructures behave under extreme stress. Then, without any human interference, the AI went ahead and generated completely new lattice patterns, optimized for maximum strength and minimal weight. It's pretty incredible, isn't it? Once these nanolattices were 3D printed, they were tested in the real world and, wow, they outperformed anything previously known. We're talking up to 5 times the strength of titanium, yet they remain ultra-lightweight. That's quite a leap forward. This, well, it solves a major challenge in material science, making something that's both tough and flexible without being brittle. It's a game changer for sure. The applications for this discovery are honestly vast. Swapping out titanium in aircraft could save up to 80 liters of fuel per kilogram annually, according to the research. The material's potential impact spans aerospace, automotive, architecture, and beyond. With production scaling on the horizon, this AI-designed innovation might just redefine how we build the world around us, stronger, lighter, and smarter than ever before. It's an exciting time to say the least.
Thank you.